हेलो एवरीवन। लास्ट क्लास में हमने ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। टॉपिक फॉर दिस क्लास इज हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन, अरिथमेटिक, ज्योमेट्रिक एंड हार्मोनिक मीन. Okay, so let's see what is a harmonic progression. So if we have a sequence a1, a2, a3 dot 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 an such that the sequence 1 by a1, 1 by a2, 1 by a3 dot dot 1 by an is in AP or arithmetic progression, we can say that this sequence is in harmonic progression. Now we know the formula for the nth term of an AP, that is a1 plus n minus 1d, where this a1 is the first term of AP and d is the common difference of AP. Okay, so since we know this relation, we can write the nth term formula for a harmonic progression such that this will be equals to a1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay, here this a1 will be this fellow. Okay, and we can calculate the common difference using this relationship above. Okay, here let's take an example. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 dot dot dot. Okay, now I can see that this is an HP because 1, 2, 3, 4 is in AP. Here 1 is the A1 and D is equals to 1. Okay, now if I want the 10th term in this sequence, I can write A10 is equals to 1 by 1 plus n minus 1 1. Here n will be equals to 10. Okay, so 1 plus 9 or 1 by 10. Okay, so an or a10 will be equals to 1 by 10 in this harmonic progression. Okay, so we really don't need to calculate the sum of the harmonic progression because it's tedious and I don't think that it will be useful. So we will just move forward and see what is an arithmetic mean. Okay, so in exams you will be asked questions such that you are given two number x and y and you have to put let's say n arithmetic mean in between x and y. Okay, so the whole sequence will look like x, a1, a2, a3 dot 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 an and y. Okay, let's say that the number of terms including x and y is equal to n. I know that this is an arithmetic progression, so I can write let's say y is equals to x plus m minus 1 d. Okay, now I know that these are n terms. Okay, so m will be equals to n plus 2. Okay, we will put this value here and we will get y is equals to x plus n plus 1d, and the formula for d will be x y minus x upon n plus 1. Okay, now we know y, we know x and we know n. We can calculate d and we can find the value of a1 to an. Okay, if you are given two numbers a1 and a2, then the arithmetic mean for these two numbers will be a1 plus a2 by 2, and if you are given a3 also, then the arithmetic mean for these three numbers will be a1 plus a2 plus a3 by 3. Okay, so generalizing this concept, we can write arithmetic mean of n terms can be written as sum of n terms divided by n. Okay, moving on to geometric mean. Let's say you are given two numbers x and y. Okay, and you have been asked to insert an geometric mean between x and y. Okay, so the sequence will look like x, a1, a2, an, and y. Okay, since this sequence is a geometric progression, we can write, let's say, the number of total terms will be equal to n. Okay, we can write using the geometric progression rule, y is equals to x into r to the power m minus 1. Again, we know that m is equals to n plus 2. Okay, putting this here, we get y is equals to x r to the power n plus 1. Okay, from this formula, we can write r is equals to under root y by x n plus 1, or r is equals to y by x to the power 1 by n plus 1. Okay, again, let's say you are given two numbers x and y. So the geometric mean for these two numbers will be under root xy, and we will take a square root. If you are given three numbers x, y and z, the geometric mean will be equals to x into y into z and cubic root. Generalizing this concept, we can say that if you are given n terms, then the geometric mean for those n terms will be equals to product of n terms to the power 1 by n, or we can write it as product of n terms to the power 1 by n. Okay, now harmonic mean. We know that a sequence a1, a2, an is in harmonic progression if 1 by a1, 1 by a2, sorry, 1 by a2, 1 by a3 up to 1 by an is in AP. Okay, so if you are given two numbers x and y, and you are asked to put an harmonic mean between these two numbers, what I can say is, let the sequence be represented as x, a1, a2, a3 an, and y is in harmonic progression HP. Okay, I will take the reciprocal of all the terms, 1 by x1, 1 by a1, 1 by a2, 1 by an, and 1 by y. I get that this sequence will be in arithmetic progression. Okay, now here I can write 1 by y is equals to 1 by x plus m minus 1 d. Okay, m will be number of these terms. Now I know m is equals to n plus 2. Okay, putting this value here, I will get 1 by y is equals to 1 by x plus n plus 1d, and the formula for d will be 1 by y minus 1 by x upon n plus 1. Okay, we know the value of y, we know the value of x, and we know the value of n. We can calculate d, and hence we can calculate all these terms 1 by a1 to 1 by an, and we can find the harmonic progression. Okay, now if you are given two numbers a and b, and you want to calculate harmonic mean between these two terms, what you can do is take the reciprocal of these numbers, add them, and divide by 2. If you are given three numbers a, b, and c, and you want to calculate the harmonic mean of these three numbers, what you can do, take reciprocal add them and divide it by 3. Generalizing these concepts, we can say if you are given n terms and you have to calculate the harmonic mean of those n terms, take the reciprocal, let's say 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a3 plus dot 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 plus 1 by an and divide it by n. Okay, so thank you guys.